Hello and welcome. So let's start with the topic number 2, that is mirror and its types. Now to understand the properties of light in more detail, we make use of many types of mirror. So let's start. Now what exactly the mirror is? Basically children, there are two types of mirror. The first is plane mirror, the one which we use in our day-to-day life. And the second is spherical mirror. Now spherical mirror have got various applications, such as a shaving mirror is a spherical mirror. The mirror which are used in a shop security as a camera are spherical mirror, and the mirror used in cars as a rear view mirror are also spherical mirror. So these are two main types of mirror, plane mirror and spherical mirror. So let's learn each in detail, more detail. So let's begin with the first by using mirror. Now what is mirror? Mirror basically it is a reflecting surface. It is actually acting as a reflecting surface. Okay, so let's start with the plane mirror in detail. Now children, plane mirror, this is the image and the object version of the mirror or a plane mirror. Now plane mirror has got three properties. Let's begin with the first property. The first property says that the distance between object and mirror is equal to the distance between image and mirror. Means what? If the object is standing at a distance of 20 centimeter from the mirror, from the plane mirror, the image will be formed 20 centimeter behind the plane mirror. That is the first property. Means always the distance between object and mirror will be equal to the distance between image formed and the mirror. The first property. Let's see second property. That is the size of image and object are same, or the image and object are of same size. Means if the object is of 10 centimeter, the image form will also be of 10 centimeter only, not big or small. That is the second property of a plane mirror. And the third and most beautiful property of the plane mirror is the left and right side of an image and object are interchanged. Means what? And this is also called as property of lateral inversion. Means what? If I raise right hand of an object, I will get to see that from the left end of the mirror. This is called as property of lateral inversion. Now children, this is the reason why the word ambulance on the ambulance and school bus on the school van is written in the reverse order, so that the vehicles which are approaching from behind, they can see it, so that they can have a safe distance for the onboard kids. So this is called as a property of lateral inversion. So these are three properties. Keep this in mind. First is the image and object distance from the plane mirror are same. The object and image size are same, and the left and right side of an object and image are interchanged, which is lateral inversion. Now to understand the properties of plane mirror in more detail and in a very good way, let's make use of three simple activity based questions. The first question is, it's very simple. Let's read this up. They are saying the distance between a person and the plane mirror is 3.5 centimeter. How far will his image will be formed from him? See, it's very simple. Let's break this up. They're saying a person is standing at a distance of 3.5 centimeter. From where? A plane mirror. So there is a person, he is standing at a distance of 3.5 centimeter or in front of this plane mirror. So what they are saying, how far will his image will be formed? Wait, if this is the object, the image will be formed on the another side or behind the mirror. And let's make the use of first rule over here, and that is the distance between mirror and object will be equal to distance between image and mirror. Means if a person is standing at 3.5 centimeter as an object, his image will also be formed 3.5 centimeter behind the mirror. Means this distance will be 3.5. Okay, so image is formed 3.5 centimeter behind the mirror. Great. But wait, what they are saying, they are asking us how far will his image will be formed from him. So from this point, how far is the image formed, they are saying. Means we are actually supposed to find this distance. So this distance is actually addition of these two small distance, 3.5 plus 3.5, that is 7 centimeter. Good. So the image is formed at a distance of 7 centimeter from the object. Is that clear? That was the first question. Great. Let's see second question. The second question says that, what is it? How many letters in the word Pathshala will undergo lateral inversion? So very beautiful and a concept related question asked in MCQ for 1 or 2 marks. So let's understand this. Let's take the word Pathshala. Okay, and if I take this word Pathshala, we have to make use of mirror to understand the lateral inversion. So what type of mirror? Of course a plane mirror. Now they are saying they have to undergo lateral inversion. Lateral inversion means exactly left and right will interchange. So let me write all this word in the reverse form. If I write all this word in a reverse form, I would get P A T H S H A L A. If you observe this very clearly, I have got L as lateral inverted, S is also laterally inverted, and P is also laterally inverted. So we get in this complete word Pathshala 3 letters which are laterally inverted. So what would be the answer? 3 letters in the word will undergo lateral inversion. Is it clear? So this was the concept of what kind of property? The third property of plane mirror, that is property of lateral inversion. I hope this is very clear to you. Yeah. Let's see the next sum based on the concept. And the next sum is more beautiful than the previous. The question is, if a clock viewed from the mirror shows the time as seen in below, what is the correct time? Okay, so they might be giving us some figure. Okay, what they are saying. Let's read the question once again. If a clock is viewed from the mirror, shows the time as seen in below. So we have this as a mirror, and the view of the clock inside this mirror is somewhat showing us this time. What is the time which we are saying over here? It's 10 o'clock. Then they are asking what is the correct time. Now actually this time is not a right or correct time because we are saying the clock inside the mirror. So somewhere the clock will be exactly in front of that mirror placed. So of course the characters and the hands of this clock might have undergone lateral inversion. So we are saying over two hands of the clock over here. One is minute hand and one is hour hand. Now children, since the minute hand is straight, it's vertical, it will not undergo lateral inversion, it's symmetric. So the hour hand, which is at 10 o'clock, will undergo lateral inversion, and when we see the exact timing, that hand will be on the 2 o'clock. So what would be the timing of the clock? Actual or correct timing? It will be 2 o'clock. So such question or such concept and activity based question can come up in the exam for 1 or 2 marks. I hope these are clear to you. Okay. So this was about properties of plane mirror. So this was about plane mirror. Now children, let's see what are another type of mirror, and that is spherical mirror. Now even like plane mirror, like spherical mirrors are of 2 types. Now what these 2 types are? Spherical mirror, the first type is called as convex mirror. Now this is one of the example of convex mirror, the one which is fitted on the sharp turn to see or to observe the vehicles which are coming in advance. Okay, to avoid any sort of collision. Now this is the symbol, or this is way how do we draw convex mirror, children. Now why we draw this? See, never learn or buy at anything in physics. Let's try to understand, never mug up. Convex, if I break this word into 2 parts, con and vex. Con means curve, something which is coming from curve. Vex means outward. So if a mirror has a reflecting surface outward in this way, if the reflecting surface is outward, such mirror are called as convex mirror. Now on the other side of reflecting surface, it will be opaque surface, and we show opaque surface by oblique line. Okay, so this is convex mirror. And second mirror is concave mirror. Now like concave, so this is example of concave mirror. Now like convex mirror, this is the symbol how we draw concave mirror. Now even we break this word concave in 2 parts. Con means curve, cave means inward, something which is going inside. So when the reflecting surface is inside or inner side, the opaque will be outer side. And the mirror in which the reflecting surface is inner side is called as concave mirror. So they can ask you in true or false or in any sort of math the column question. If the reflecting surface is inner side, such mirror is called as concave mirror. If the reflecting surface is outer side, such mirror is called as convex mirror. The side which is opposite, if it is reflecting surface, inside it has to be opaque. Okay. So these are 2 main types of spherical mirror. Now let's understand the properties of spherical mirror. Okay. We have 2 spherical mirror, convex and concave. Now children, when I pass rays of light straight and parallel towards the concave mirror, these rays of light will go and hit at this mirror. Means they will undergo reflection because it's a mirror and mirror is a reflecting surface. Now after reflection, they will converge. What do we mean by converge? They will come and meet at a single point in front of this mirror. In front of the mirror. Since they are coming and meeting, since they are converged, since they are doing or undergoing converging, this mirror are also called as converging mirror. So concave mirror is a converging mirror. Concave mirror is also called as converging mirror. Okay. Now let's see another case for convex mirror. When we pass rays of light, after reflection, these rays of light will go away from each other. Means they will not come and meet. They will not actually come and meet. If we retrace or if we join from on the other side, we'll get the point over here. So in this case, the rays are going away from each other. Means they are going away. Means they are diverging. So such mirror is also called as diverging mirror. So if they ask concave mirror is a dash mirror, it is converging mirror. Convex mirror is a dash mirror, means it is a diverging mirror. Concave mirror, converging mirror. Convex mirror, diverging mirror. Hope you understand mirror and the types of mirror, that is plane, spherical and the types of spherical, concave, convex in a detailed way. Thank you.